In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update certain details in your CapCut profile, specifically focusing on adjusting your displayed age. If you've ever found yourself needing to correct or present your age in a different way on CapCut, then this guide should help you navigate the process smoothly. First, let's get started by heading over to the CapCut website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.capcut.com. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to get to the profile section. You'll find this option typically at the top right corner of the web page once you've logged into your CapCut account. Click on that profile icon, as it will direct you to your personal account settings. After entering the profile section, you'll want to click on the View Profile option. This selection gives you access to all the editable personal information you have provided upon registration and allows you to make small tweaks here and there if needed. Now, if during your initial account setup you happen to enter the wrong age, don't worry. While CapCut's system doesn't permit direct changes to your age post-registration, there is a workaround to display it through a different method. Navigate to the Add Bio section of your profile. This is where you can input some personal details that others can view, including your actual age if what you entered during registration isn't accurate. Once you're in the Add Bio segment, type in your real age. It's an effective way to share your age without making any changes to your official registration details. This approach is considered the simplest way to publicly show your age on your CapCut profile. It provides a clear method to convey the correct information without having to navigate the more complicated process of re-registering or filing a request for account data changes. It's important to note that CapCut does not currently offer a direct path for altering your age after it has been initially set during the account registration phase. This lack of an easy modification option emphasizes the importance of double-checking your information during initial setup. But with the method we just covered, you can display the right information by utilizing the Bio section effectively. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope it helped you find a straightforward way to update your CapCut profile to best reflect who you are. Remember, clear and accurate profile information can enhance your use of CapCut and make interactions with others on the platform more authentic. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy tutorials and guides. Have a fantastic day!